Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Stihl 064 chainsaw. Very popular model. This one features a 32-inch sprocket nose 3/8 chain, .063 gauge. Skip sequence on that chain. Also, it comes with a 20-inch, so it's very versatile. You can either cut the big wood or the little wood. It's a 20-inch 3/8 pitch sprocket nose. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features the saw has. Master control switch is on the left, right here. All the way down choke, and you have high idle, idle, and off is all the way up. It does have operator presence lever right here. Saw won't throttle up unless your hand is in place. Side load on the gas reservoir and the oil reservoir. Oil reservoir right up here. Working chain brake. Two large falling spikes. And that popular 3/4 wrap handlebar that Stihl makes. Right here. Tension adjustment, loosen the two bar nuts up. Right in the center is your tensioner. When starting this high compression engine, you do want to start it on the ground using the foot pad, and it's foot pad hand protector. Works as a hand protector in case of a chain throwing incident. You can see we got some protection here. And functions as a foot pad setting on the ground. Put your foot in place. Good grip on that handlebar, and you can start this high compression engine. Just a very clean, nice 064. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.